Chapter 7 Subhashit Madhu Bindavah. Introduction. There is an inexhaustible treasure of maxims in Sanskrit literature. Such maxims are sometimes used in epics, sometimes in the form of metaphor, sometimes in the scripture, sometimes as detached stanzas of which the meaning is complete in itself in the mass mind. In these maxims, besides element of thinking, sometimes wordly miracles, some special metaphorical use, seriousness of meaning, and sometimes some puzzling element is there. Here, this type of vivid six maxims have been collected from various books. The meter and subject of each is quite different. In the first maxim, our attention is drawn towards an eternal truth. The second maxim suggests a remedy as how a man can be Subhash, that is, speaking good. In the third poem, qualities of three things, and in fourth poem, speciality of a gentleman have been narrated. The fifth poem is in the form of dialogue. Short and double meaning words have been spoken through Parvati and their answers have been spoken by Shiva. Sixth poem is a moral preaching and narrates that bigness and heaviness are not reasons for greatness. The small and micro elements have their unique importance. The student has to learn in two ways from the collection of verses given in this lesson. On one side, the student has to increase his wealth of thoughts by imbibing the help of thoughts expressed here, while on the other side, the student has to enrich vocabulary by properly understanding the words used in these verses.
यदा शक्यं न तच्छक्यं यच्छक्यं शक्यमेव तत नोदके सकटं याति न च नर्गच्छति स्थले
वचस्तत्र
प्रयोक्तव्यं यत्रोक्त लभते फलं स्थायी भवति
चात्यन्तं रागः
शुक्लपटे यथा वार्ता च कौतुकवती विमला च विद्या
लोकोत्तरं
परिमलक्ष्यं कुरनागनाभे तेलस्य बिन्दुरवि वारिणी दुर्निवारम् एतत्त्रयं प्रसरति स्वयमेव भूमौ उदयति यदि भानुः पश्चिमे दिग्विभागे प्रचलति यदि मेरुः शीततां याति वह्निः विकसति यदि पद्मं पर्वताग्रे शिलायां न भवति पुनरुक्तं भाषितं सज्जनानां कस्तवं शूलिमृगय भिषजं नीलकण्ठ प्रियेऽहं केकामेकां कुरु पशुपति नैव दृष्टे विषाणे
स्थाणुन्मुक्ते
न वदति तरुर्जी विशतः शिवाय
गच्छाट्व्याम्
इति हत्वचा पातु
वश्चन्द्रचूडः
हस्ति स्थूलतनु च चाकुवशः किं हस्ति मात्रो कुशः प्रज्रेणाभिषिता पतन्ति गिरयः किं वज्रमात्रा नगाः दीप प्रज्वलिते विनश्यति तमः किं दीपमानं तमः तेजो यस्य विराजते स बलवान् स्थूलेषु क प्रत्ययः